Presenting Viciley Magic Lash Kit. Applying lashes can be fast and easy, even if you are new to it. Simply apply the eyeliner, mascara, and then apply the lashes directly on the liner. Boom! Perfect lashes. And all that hassle with messy glue is history. The Magic Lashes are also latex and magnet-free. The solid science behind the Magic Lashes is called acrylic copolymer. It forms an adhesive film on the liner so that the lashes can stay attached. The liner has a strong enough hold to make sure the lashes will stay in place, but not too strong to hurt the delicate skin on your eyelids or damage your real lashes. The specialized structured design of the eyeliner pen prevents the ink from drying out. Before the first use, simply shake the pen, press the button on top, and wait about 3 minutes until the ink completely saturates the tip. From natural to glam, Viciley Lash will make your day fabulash.